Okay guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to download the iDispatch operator app and sign up. So when a dispatcher wants to connect, they will go ahead and send you a text message and you will receive a text like this with a smart link. All you have to do is click on this link and then this link will take you to the correct app store. If you have an iPhone, it'll take you to the iPhone app store. If you have an Android, it'll take you to the Android app store. So now all you have to do is click open and then download the operator app. Make sure it's the iDispatch operator app. Okay, click open. Then you allow these permissions. Now, allow while using app. Click on that one. And then change to always allow. Now, don't worry, this app is not going to track you all the time. When you're done working, you can go into settings, sign out, and no one will be able to track you. It's just there. So while the app is on, it should track you properly, because if you don't choose the correct settings, the tracking might not work correctly. So over here, you put in your phone number, click done, send code. Now once the code sends, all you have to do is tap one of these boxes, and then on the bottom you'll see the code. Choose the code, confirm code, and then boom, here we go. It's just going to ask for some information. You can actually choose an image. You can choose a custom image if you like. Click on the plus sign, put a picture of yourself, or choose one of the custom images. So here we go. I'm going to enter my name, Henry B. Email, I'm going to do Henry at iDispatch.com, and then company name, I'm going to leave it blank, but it's optional. So then you go to submit. Here we go. That's all it takes. Welcome to iDispatch. Now you're signed up. Now if it's showing you in a random spot on the map, all you have to do is power off your phone and then power it back on and then log back into the app, because some iPhones, the GPS needs to reset in order for it to start showing your true location. And this is just a one-time reset, so don't worry, but make sure you power off and on the phone. Don't just turn off the app and then log back in. You need to restart the whole phone, log back in. From there on out, it should be working just fine. Here's another thing. You click on the three dots on the far bottom right, and then you go into your settings, and then here we go. You can go ahead and delete the account from here, or you can log out from when you come back. You see log out. Once you log out, you won't be able to no one will be able to track you. And from here, you can actually create tracking links. Go to settings, and you can create links if you want to share your location ETA with customers, if you want to use it as a standalone app. So that's about it. Thank you.